to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an electronic travel authorization ETA to travel to Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this ETA official page from the government of Canada. Of course, it has got requirements related to your citizenship and other purpose and other things. So I will not go into that. Rather, I'll go into the process of how to apply. So this is like you can apply $7, provided you have a passport from a visa exempt country. Okay, you need valid email address and payment method. All right. So I click for apply for an ETA, one person at a time, and they have given more instructions. So apply. Now you need to select your passport, which country your passport you have. Because if you select France or Austria, they have like their passport have something specific. That's why like they have given for French passport holders, these are the instructions. So similarly for Austria, they have other instruction. But if you select other country and you select purpose like visit as a tourist or visit family, they tell you where to pick the passport number. Okay, and now click applying on behalf of someone. I select no. Okay, then I go to next. Application form you have to complete. Which travel document? So I select this one. Select the country. Okay, so it should be like one of the applicable countries that are one of the eligible countries I should use. I apologize. So let's say you have a passport of Denmark. Okay, what is the nationality? Let's say you have Denmark. Just example, you need to do as per your case, provided it meets the criteria. Now, once you select that, you need to provide your passport details, number, surname, first name, date of birth, gender, country, that's town of birth. Make sure it matches with your passport so that there's no confusion. Date of issue and expiry for your passport, personal detail, your citizenship information. Oh, sorry. Again. Yeah. That's why I said nationality is very important. Contact info, email address very important because this is where the confirmation will be sent, right? Residential address, travel information, when will you travel? If you select yes, they will ask what's your plan. Terms condition. Now you'll enter your name as it appears in your passport as your digital signature. Next stage, when you click on proceed for payment, is to pay for the money. Of course, you need to select this. I agree. And then once you pay, process begins. Most of the people get it quite simply and quickly, but let me know how it goes in your case. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.